welcome to my channel. This is Shasha SJ again, and today we are going to make or build a garland, something like this. Alright, so stay tuned and let's build this awesome garland that you can put them on your Christmas tree or by your window. Alright, bear with me and stay tuned. Alright, and we are done, and this is the one that we finished. Look how beautiful that is, you guys. This is so nice when you put them by your window and anywhere you want to put them on. And yeah, that's it. And when you're done, you can just put them in the corner and then just leave it like that, and there you go. Anyway, thank you guys for watching Shasha SJ, and hope you guys will come back. And yep, don't forget to subscribe in that button down there and push the like button down there. See you next time. Bye.